This is a 2011 Toyota Sienna. This minivan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include traction control and stability control systems, a power driver's seat, steering wheel mounted controls, tinted glass, brake assistance technology, a passenger side airbag, and this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering Raritan Nissan of Auburn for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are located at 713 35th Street Northeast in Auburn, Washington, just minutes from Interstate 167 and conveniently located between Seattle and Tacoma. We look forward to serving you.